This video assumes that your stitches will be mounted with the right leg of the stitch in front and the left leg of the stitch in back. To do a knit one through the back loop, Continental style, hold your yarn in your left hand, insert your right needle through the back of your first stitch on your left needle, come over the top of the working yarn and pull it through your origin stitch on the left needle, and that stitch comes off your left needle. This twists the base of your stitch instead of having it open like a regular knit stitch. And you're going to have your right leg in front and your left leg in back. Again, right needle tip through the back of the stitch on your left needle, over and grab that working yarn and bring it through your stitch. And you can now pull your origin stitch off the left needle.